Hello from Growth WP. If you want to optimize your website, your WordPress website or blog or WordPress online shop for search engine SEO, you can use this plugin called All-in-One SEO by going to your WordPress admin area, plugins, add plugin, and then searching for All-in-One SEO, and then you scroll down here and you tap on install now. Then you can use it to optimize the SEO for your WordPress pages, WordPress blog posts, and different custom post types like product pages on WooCommerce and Easy Digital downloads plugin. Another alternative to this plugin is Rank Math, and another one is Yoast SEO.